No one ever gives me any respect. My tag's really long. Just, no one likes me. Holy cheesecakes! It's a TIE fighter. I know what I should do. What? I just flew a TIE fighter. No, you crashed it. Anyway, who are you? I have really long tags. Okay then. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the sister room because I want to go see my brother. Can I come? Why? Because I don't want to get rid of my tags. Oh, what? Well, you see, I want to get rid of my tags, so if I go to Easterland, I can get someone to do it. Couldn't I just cut off your tags with my blade arm? That's not fun. What do you mean? I want a doctor to do it. I don't see a point, but whatever. I'll probably just lose the argument anyway. You will. What? Let's go on an adventure. Oh, okay. Hello there. Who are you? I'm your worst nightmare, amigo. What? Prepare to be amazed by my platypus abilities. What? You know, when I call upon the platypus. I have absolutely no idea what you're talking about. I'll have to show you a demonstration. Cheese balls! What? Did you like that demonstration? I'm just gonna get out of here. Cheese balls! How do you like my Darth Vader now? What? What even happened? I have no idea. Just turn off the camera. Do it! Do it right now!